As I look to find shade, I find an old fir tree. Here I sit beneath, for a break from the unnormal Maine mid-August melting sun. With a perfect mountain view and the reflection of a valley pond below. Like a bobby painting with a perfect cool breeze, enough to move the leaves on the old fir tree. Planted firmly in the ground, in a trance, in nature's orchestra in concert, musical song through beauty and sound, with all its moving streams, to the birds listen as they sing, with the crickets and the buzz of the bees, all in perfect harmony, amazingly grateful, without knowing the opportunity of nature's invitation, with a free admission to the greatest orchestra in the world. And today I have experienced nature's conductor.